Welcome back. Today we're looking at the Shopify Product Importer Bot. A great tool for Faire Wholesale. You just provide the product link. To access wholesale pricing, the bot uses your credentials, no 2FA needed. It visits the page, checks if the price is hidden, and uses a condition node to log in if necessary. Once authenticated, it expands the product description and extracts all the details. This logic can be used on any other site as well. Heading over to the Run tab, you can see the agent loading the page and verifying the price visibility. Once confirmed, it moves forward to expand the product description. From there, it extracts the essential details, like the title, price, and all product images. Now it's time for the n8n setup. I've added notes throughout the template for your reference. The process begins when the Telegram trigger hits. We send the message to an AI agent that validates the input. If there's no link or the user is just talking, the switch node sends the flow to a chat agent on the bottom path. If the link is valid, we notify the user and trigger the BrowserAct node by manually passing the extracted link to it. This scenario has a unique twist: human verification. When the BrowserAct node pauses, the switch node detects it and sends a notification to the user to step in. Once the user completes the verification, we use an HTTP node to grab the product data. If the process fails, the bot sends an alert so you know exactly what went wrong. When no verification is required, the workflow moves straight to the AI agent node. This agent's job is to prepare the product data. We've set up structured output to ensure the AI provides a clean, compatible format for Shopify. Once the data is ready, we simply create the product using the Shopify node. Because the standard Shopify node has some limitations, we use the HTTP node to add product variants to avoid errors. Just make sure to input your specific Shopify store address. We follow a similar process for the images. We take the image URLs extracted by the agent and use the HTTP node to upload them to your store one by one, ensuring every picture is attached correctly. Now for the final results. Looking at the Shopify admin, you can see the price and all the images have been imported perfectly. We used the Shopify node to generate the main product, which gave us the product ID we needed to complete the variants and images. Thanks for watching.